GE Appliances has just announced a historic $3 billion investment to expand manufacturing in the United States over the next 5 years. This major plan aims to bring production back from China and Mexico to America, with expansions in states like Kentucky, Alabama, Georgia, Tennessee, and South Carolina. The investment will create over 1,000 new jobs and includes new production lines for refrigerators, washing machines, ovens, and water heaters. GE Appliances will also double its water heater capacity, launch new air conditioner lines, and introduce 6 new refrigerator models in Alabama. By the end of this plan, the company will have invested more than $6.5 billion in the U.S. economy since 2016. This move comes amid rising tariffs and trade tensions, as big companies shift to local manufacturing to strengthen the economy and provide new jobs. Stay tuned for more details on this game-changing move.